Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you another video on how to create a traditional fried rice. It's called nasi goreng kampung. It basically means village style fried rice. Alright, so this will be my version and I will get straight away and show you the ingredients needed to prepare this fried rice. Alright, so of course the main ingredient we'll be using for this is going to be dry fish, anchovies. You can use any kind of dry fish. I have particularly chosen this kind, which is not so thick in size. All right, and then we will need one large onion, which I've actually sliced it up, and you will also need 3 pieces of garlic, 1 green chili, and 1 Thai chili padi, like this, and a little bit of anchovies as well. Okay, I'll show you what is this needed for. And then we will need 3 eggs. I've added some pepper and salt already to the egg mixture. You can use any kind of green vegetables. 1 carrot, I finely chopped it up like this, and also this is like a bunch of spring onions, also chopped it up as well. For seasoning, you will need fish sauce. Okay, so let's get started. Now the first step is basically we are going to fry the anchovies in some oil until they are golden and crispy. Okay, so the oil is hot enough. We are going to throw in the anchovies now. And we're going to fry them until they are crispy. Alright, and then after they are done, we can take them out and keep them aside. Okay, so as you can see, the anchovies are fried well already, so we are going to take and just drain them in a paper towel. Make sure you drain them well without the oil. Okay, so now that the anchovies has already been fried, the next step we are going to do is we are going to pound the garlic, the chili, everything. So I'm just adding all this to my pounder. So in goes the garlic, the green chili, and a little bit of the anchovies that I kept aside earlier. Yes, and we're going to give all of this a good pound. All right. Okay, so as you can see, I have pounded all those ingredients well, so it should look something like this. Alright, it does not need to be so pasty like, but this is good enough. Alright, so now we are going to, I've actually put some oil onto the wok and we are going to fry the pounded ingredients after this. Okay, the oil is heated up, so now we are adding in the pounded ingredients. Okay, we're going to fry the ingredients well in the oil. Just not sure your flame shouldn't be too high, just in slow heat, and then we give it a fry. Okay, and right after this we are going to add in the onions. It smells really good at this point of time with the garlic and the chilies. Okay, so now we are going to throw in the onions. Okay, in goes the onions, and we are going to fry them till the onion softens. For those of you who like their fried rice to be more spicy, you can go in to add another chili padi if you like to. But as for me, 1 chili padi is alright for me. Okay, now together with the onions, we are going to add half of the spring onions that we have cut earlier on. I'm just using half of that. The rest of it, we will garnish it at the end. Okay. Okay, and we are going to season it with a little bit of salt as well at this point of time. Later on, of course, after tasting the fried rice, you can also season it, but I'm just giving the base, seasoning the base first. Once the onions has turned slightly golden and translucent, we can go in to throw in the vegetables. Okay, so now in goes the carrots. Followed by the green vegetables. And we're going to give it a good mix. So now you can increase your flame to a little bit of medium high so that the vegetables will be cooked. Okay, now that the vegetables are almost done, we are going to throw in the 3 eggs that I've already beaten and seasoned them as well. So we are going to throw them in. Do not immediately go in to stir the egg. Let it be there for a minute or so before you actually start to stir in the vegetables. Okay, so now we can slowly start to mix the egg in. And after this, we are actually going to throw in the rice. Okay, so now it has all been incorporated well already. We are going to throw in the cooked rice. Now this is basically 2 cups of rice. Okay, I have already cooked them earlier on. Normally, if you're going to do fried rice, the best option is to use leftover rice from the night before. But as for me, this is not overnight rice, so I just cooked it a couple of hours ago. Yeah. But the texture will be much better if you use rice that has been set overnight in your fridge. Okay, so after this I'm going to simply give this a good mix. Okay, I've managed to break up the rice. So now I'm going to season it with a little bit of fish sauce according to your preference. You can edit it a little bit first and you can check the seasoning. If it's not enough, then you can actually go in to add a little bit more. Okay, now for just a little bit of color, I'm actually adding in, so I've actually added a little bit of dark soya sauce just for the color of the fried rice. So I've checked for seasoning already and it tastes perfectly fine. After this, we are going to throw in the rest of the fried anchovies that we prepared earlier on.